Tomorrow, 27th, we are doing a Rajbhavan Chalo. It is our right to work. The great strength in this constitution and the central act was been given 20 years ago by Manmohan Singh ji and Srimati Sonia Gandhi. Now we have decided to have a protest march to Rajbhavan. The second, because we wanted to have it in a different place, but it has been, court has said only through Freedom March has been done. We decided there. Since we are in the government, we don't want to disrespect the law. The second is on every assembly segment. After this, we have given 10-15 days time so that all the district ministers will participate. They have to participate in every district, every assembly segment. There will be a minimum 5 kilometers walk with all the panchayat members and all the card holders of the unemployment card holders who are having. It is a great movement till it rollbacks. Congress party, the Indian National Congress and the leadership of Mallikarjun Kharge ji and Rahul ji will fight on this issue and they will lead. We will do our protest as far as Karnataka is concerned.
So the governor versus government issue is only snowballing. The governor has now written to the president as well, given a report saying Congress leaders misbehaved with him on the floor of the assembly. Sir, how do you see this? What is the government's plan of action?
I do not know what is this one. In the political system, all this issue will be there. If the governor would have just read this speech and participated in the national anthem, if he was not interested to speak about Narega, he would have left that and the other party would have just spoken. There was a lot of options. There were a lot of precedents which has taken place on such type of issue. As he is speaking on a government speech, it is his bound duty to protect the constitution. So this is not only in Karnataka, in so many other states also. Such incidents has happened.
Sir, D.K. Suresh posted that patients should not be mistaken for epilepsy.
I will not comment on this.
Sir, delegate will be chief